Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start paper trading on the TradingView mobile app. If you've ever wanted to practice your trading skills with zero risk, or just see how your strategies might play out in real time, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently place your first paper trades right from your phone, so you can build your skills without putting any real money on the line. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open up the TradingView app on your mobile device. TradingView is a fantastic platform for charts and data, but its paper trading feature is especially valuable if you're learning or trying out new ideas. Once you've opened the app, look for the Products button. It should be easy to spot. If you're not sure where to find it, tap around near the main menu or navigation bar at the bottom or side. Remember, app layouts can shift with updates, so be patient if it looks a little different. Next, scroll down to the very bottom section and there you'll see an option labeled Trading Panel. This is where the magic happens. Think of the trading panel as your mission control. It's where you access all your trading connections, whether you're using a live broker or, in our case, the free built-in paper trading account. Tap on Paper Trading. This is TradingView's sandbox environment, which simulates live trades with play money. Super helpful for building confidence and tracking your progress over time. Now you'll see a button to connect. Go ahead and hit Connect to link the paper trading account. You should be good to go now. If it asks for any permissions or confirmations, just follow the prompts. This part is straightforward, but occasionally it might take a few moments to connect, so don't worry if it seems like nothing's happening right away. Now that you're connected, look for the Trade button at the bottom of your screen. Tapping this will bring up the interface where you can place orders. Here, where things get fun, let's say you're watching a stock's price and you want to buy. To get the best entry, you can actually drag the buy order on the chart itself. Move it lower if you think the price will drop a bit further before rising. This feature is a lot like setting your own fishing line in just the right spot. You want the best chance for a good catch. Once you've set your price, you can decide how many shares you'd like to buy. Just increase the quantity by tapping the plus sign or typing in the amount. This lets you control the size of your position, depending on how confident you feel in the trade setup. TradingView also gives you the option to add a stop loss or take profit to your order. If you're new, a stop loss is a way to limit your potential loss, while a take profit automatically closes your trade when you've reached your desired gain. These are especially helpful for managing risk, but if you're just practicing or want to watch the trade play out, you can also choose to skip these. Totally up to you. When you're happy with all the settings, go ahead and click Buy. That pulls up one last confirmation screen. Take a quick moment to review your order. Once you're sure, hit Send Order. That's it. Your paper trade goes live and you can monitor how it performs just as if it were a real position. And there you have it. You're now up and running with paper trading on TradingView's mobile app. Practice as much as you like, try new strategies, learn the ropes, and gain confidence before trading with real money. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about TradingView or paper trading. I always love hearing from you guys and I'm here to help. If you want more step-by-step tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching and happy trading.